Hi, I am going to show you how to do mail merge with attachments today. You need a folder containing all the marked PDFs. You need a list of students' email with the name. You also need to download the add-ons. So one thing at a time. Now to generate the student's name and the email, you can go to ISAM control panel to run a custom report. Select, go all the way down to set list with student and parent email. So run report, and then you select maths department. Subject, I'm going to do year 9, so it's under mathematics. And then my class, view report. So all the students' name, email address, parent email will be there. We don't need everything, but we're still going to export it to Excel. So when you do, you will get a copy of email and names like this. A folder of the test marked. And now you need to have the add-ons. Now the add-ons is called mail merge with attachments. At the moment it's not enabled. I downloaded it but not enabled it. Where you can get it, you need to go to next to your icon, there should be 9 dots there. You scroll down, more from Google, type in the search, mail merge with attachments, and then install it. Now, since you're installing it into your school account, you might need to go through a few login process via VLE. I encounter a problem when I install it that it's not responding, so I install it to my personal Gmail account, but it works the same. Now, under your school account, start a new spreadsheet. And go to add-ons, says enable mail merge, click it, working, close it. Now you go back to add-ons. Now you should see a longer list of things that you can choose. Start with create merged sheet. So these are the things that you can put in the spreadsheet. Now you don't need the last name, you can delete the column. Practically you only need 3 columns, the first name, email address, and then the file attachments. Now I'm not going to use the real names. When you do, you can just copy and paste. So student 1, student 2, student 5, email address. So you copy and paste in. So I'm just going to, for example, student1example.com. The file attachment. Okay, at this stage, what you can do is you can go to add-ons again, mail merge, add files, and pick this one, list files in Google Drive folder. Now, at the moment, it's not working for me. It worked for me last time, but it stopped working for a whole day now. What it's supposed to do is you can select a folder containing all the PDFs. If it was done successfully, then you will see all the files from that folder listed on the second tab. Go back to your first one, then you should have a drop-down list which you can select the relevant PDF to go with the student's name. Now, it's not working for me at the moment. The workaround would be you click here the first cell for student 1, go to add-ons, mail merge, add file, and this time pick Insert Files from Google Drive. Now what I've done is I moved this folder to directly under the parent Google Drive folder, and so it would just pop up at the first one. If you don't, if you put it in some other subfolders, you just have to, every single time you need to click until you reach the level of that folder. So put it under the parent one and it will be much faster. So double click, say student 1, select. It will put it there. Repeat the process. Until you reach the end of your class. Let's say I've done all of that. What we can do next is you can draft up the email. So you need to go to, what is the name again? The configure mail merge. This is the sender's email. So I can say this is from Mrs. Wong. And I can also create email template, which I can use the visual editor, edit. Running assessment here, and then you can insert the view first name, see attach, and then you go save. So when that's done, you click continue. You can send a test email, or you can opt to run the mail merge right away. So I would do a test run, and then it will send to the webmail account like this. Test email sent, and then you, yes, here it is. Dear student 1, see attached. This is Wong, and this is the attachment for student 1.